hope you have your YouTube videos ready and optimized now with the tips that I have provided in the previous section. If you don't have any videos, please make sure you get at least 10 videos ready, as it is a basic requirement for this natural views method. Now here is a simple checklist on ranking your YouTube videos in just 1 to 3 weeks for low and medium competitive keywords. Number 1 is getting high retention views. When it comes to YouTube views, quality and quantity are both important. Here's how to get lots of views that actually stick around and watch your video. The following ideas can be used to bring in natural high retention views to your YouTube video. Number 1. Mention your video on Quora and other QA sites. Just search for a question on your video's topic and add a link to your video, or better, embed it into your answer. This will make you to retain more visitors to your YouTube video who are searching exactly for the video that you have created. Number 2. Link your video in your email signature. People who email you, like your mom, generally like in your circle. So when you add a link to your latest video in your email signature, that means you will get high retention views in your friend circle. Number 3. Embed your videos in blog posts. Whenever you write a blog or post on your site or as a guest post for another site, search for where you can embed your video, because this have a great chance to bring in traffic to your YouTube videos, as people are going to click on the link for more details for their solution. I have tried it out personally, and this instantly got my video a few hundred high quality views. The last and the best option to go is the social media. Social media is the best way to bring in traffic to your YouTube videos. So do share your videos to your followers on Twitter, Facebook and Google+. Seems straightforward, but I'm surprised how many people don't do this. The next one, the second thing, is use competitors' channel name in your video tags. Well, that's a sneaky way to get listed as a related video in your competitor videos. Just use their channel name as a tag in one of your videos. For example, if you notice this channel name as watchmojo.com, you can add a tag to your video called watchmojo.com. This trick will cause your video to show up more often in the related videos when people watch videos from that channel, which means more views for you. I'm sure you are now very clear in ranking your YouTube videos. Let's move to my next lecture, where I'll be explaining the software which will help you in doing all these stuffs in just few seconds.